Welcome to the live stream in which I'm going to make this front end. We are going to do this front end mentor challenge in which I'm going to do this pricing component with toggles. So this is a very good component. Means a lot of design is there. So it is not that easy. And one of the reason for that, it is a junior challenge and it is not a newbie challenge. The biggest reason is that only. It's a because it has got a lot of things. It is seeing as simple, but the design and all these things are there. That's why it is there. Okay, so let's get started. Mm, for this, I have to this widget challenge hub, download the starter, and it got downloaded. So let me go here in the download folder. Okay, let me cut it from here and bring it to my D drive, and I will go to YouTube and I will paste it here. Generally, all my YouTube streams I will do it here only. Okay, so I'll do extract here. Where is it? Okay. Uh, Pricing component. I will do that. Okay. Okay. So let's get started. CMD code. So I just need a live server for this. That's why I'm not even starting it in the terminal. This is a live server I require. So I'm here and I will close it and index.html. So they give us this index.html, but the main thing is style guide. So in which in this all the guides are there. Let me increase the font size a bit so that it is good in mobile view also. And then let me go here in the index.html. Hope everyone is able to hear me. Hear me. Okay. So this is there and okay, this is overlapping. Where should I keep it? I should keep it in the mid. Okay, go live. And so this is what it is there. Okay, so this is what it is there. And now the first thing in all this HTML CSS JavaScript project is that what we should do the basic structure of this. Okay, so we are going to do the structure of this. Okay, so this is there and we'll do the structure, but first there is a lot of junk here, so let us remove that junks. Let me remove this also. All X. And what is the challenge name? The challenge name is pricing component with toggle. So let me write only pricing component. Pricing component. The pricing component is there. Okay. So as usual means what we are going to do here. So our pricing annually and monthly is there. Okay, let me do one more thing. So this design is there. There are two active stages actually. One is annually and one is monthly. So let me first pick this thing here. So this is like that. Okay. So let us come back here, and our pricing is there. Okay. So the first thing is that everything should be wrapped in a container. So we will wrap everything in a container, and this is dot container container is there, and everything will be wrapped here in this. I don't want this attribution also, so I will remove it. Okay, so this one will be h1, and this annually and monthly is there. So let me make it a toggle container, and then we'll go forward. Okay, so dot toggle container. So I'll do it like this, and inside that this annually and monthly will be there. So let me move them top, but that input box and all those things they have not given, so that we have to create. Okay, so here span, let's me have this span is there, annually is there. Okay, and then span for monthly will also be there, span for monthly will also be there. Okay, and we'll have a input box. Okay, input, it was right, it is type equal to checkbox only, because type checkbox only we are going to take, because that checkbox we are going to convert it into pill. See this pill kind of a thing, so we are going to convert it into a pill. Name equal to toggle, id equal to toggle, and value is not required, but we will make it unchecked. So there is very little javascript, just very little javascript, and we need a label also. Okay, label for toggle dot ball, and a ball is there, so this ball thing, we'll write some classes for this ball. Okay, so like this, and this is done. Let's see how it is looking. So just like bad as earlier it is looking. So after that we'll have some more classes, means all these things have to go into classes. So let us do that, and for the time being what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove these things. Actually there are two prices are there, that will occur in the case of toggle. So let me remove the other price right now, so I'm going to add it later on. Okay, so something, the whole of this will be uh, dot flex and hash, let us name it flexi. Okay, so like this flexi I will name, and then we'll have actually three similar kind of things. So three price boxes we are going to have. So okay, first let me take all this thing inside. Price box is there, and h4 will be there. So let me first make it. H4 will be there, and p will be there, paragraph tag will be there, and within it span dot monthly, span dot monthly will be there, and then these things 500 GB storage and all this we'll put into a unordered list. Okay, and then we will style it later on. Okay, so first we put the things which are there. So h4 basic, and then monthly, this dollar will come here in the monthly. Okay, and then this all will come in the ul, and this learn more will be a button, as here learn more will be a button. So after this p we'll have this ul. Okay, let me do a shortcut. ul, I think ally into 3. This is the shortcut. Yeah, this is the shortcut. And control x, control v, control x, control v, control x, control v, and control x, button, control v. Okay, so like this div id of flexi and all these things will be there. So there will be 2 more like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to again copy these things, just paste it. Professional and master. Professional is there after that. Yeah, professional is there. Control x, control v, control x, control v, 1 terabyte storage. This is control x, this is control v, this is control x, control v, control x, control v, and learn mode is like similar to that only. Okay, and this box is a bit different than the other boxes, so we'll have some additional styles to it. So let us call this professional box, add another class to it which is known as price box premium. Okay, so this is like that, price box premium, and again have this master, let me remove all these things now. Let me save it. So I've saved it, and now okay, 1 sec. Okay, so let me see how it is looking. It is looking much better than earlier. I mean, so all these things are there, all this, so it is looking much better. So now we'll start with the styles, and we have not even booked done our styles.css. So let me put that style, not style, link css, style.css. Let us keep this name only, not make it styles or something like that. So style is there, control s, and let me close it. new file style.css, and now we'll start our style. Okay, so first let us do the Google font. So they always give a Google font, so let us do that. Google font. Okay, I have increased the font size a bit more because it will be much easier to view on a mobile device. So this is how they do Google font. And Google font, what they have given, 700 bit. Only one weight you have to take. So I will come here and do this, and to open this, and I have to do the, where is my 700, bold one, this one I will take, and then I will go to imports, and this one I will copy, and I will come back here, and in the top I'll paste it. So this is how it will work. Okay, so now start box sizing is border box. Okay, box sizing is border box. And now let's do the body, the main thing. Body background color is what is the background color? Okay, background color is lightest purple type of something is there. So you have to hit and trial here, and they give this also. So you just have to hit and trial here and find it. So this is the one, grayish blue they're telling, but this is actually purple. Okay, background color is like this. Okay, and color also we have to give. Color is this one, 232 one. So this is the text color, and then as usual we are going to use flex a lot here. Display flex, align items is center, and justify content is center. Font family is this font which we have done, this Montserrat, comma sans serif. So this is the fallback font, but we have to take the font like this. Okay, and text align is center, and min height is 100, vertical height. Okay, dot. So now I will do the container style. So this which we have given. So this container, style will do. Hope this is working. Yeah, it is working. Flexbox is working pretty nice. Margin will be auto, and max width will be 100%. So they even give us this size desktop, but never go with this. This is way too much. I have a large screen, but then also this is way too much. Okay, max width is this, and width is not 100%. Width is 1200 px will take. Okay, 1200 px we will take. So this is how it is looking right now. So now that flexi class which we have taken, this display class flex and flexi, so this flex will take, and dot flex, display is flex, align item is center, justify content is center, h1 is okay. The h1 color we have to give h1 color is this. And now this, yeah, color is looking quite good. The toggle container will give toggle container color is 234. This one, margin bottom is 40 px. Toggle container, yeah, so the toggle container is done, which contains this annual and the monthly. Okay, so because there is some gap here also. Okay, so it is looking much better now. Now we will put the style for the price box and the button. So this price boxes is there. Okay, so this price boxes and the those buttons are there. So we will put the so these price boxes are at 3 places. Okay, so we'll do that. Price box dot price box, background color is #FFF, border radius is 10 px, box shadow is 0.5 px, 10 px, RGBA 0.1. This is the box shadow. Yeah, see, it started looking pretty good. And now the color is HSL 233, this one, HSL this one. And the main thing to fix anything is the padding. See, I will give the padding and most things will fix. Padding is not 10 px, padding is 30 px. See, this will fix half of the thing. Okay, the padding makes everything very good. And then the margin will give, it is 10 px, so that will be on all the sides, the margin will be there, so they're separated right now. Okay, so now it is at least looking like boxes right now. Okay, so the h4 in the price box, there is h4 is there, so we'll give for that dot price box h4, and it will be margin will be 0 for that. Okay, margin will be 0 for that. And then dot price box p, and the color will be HSL 232 1333. This I don't require. And font size is 4M, and margin is 15 px 0. This we are giving for the paragraph. Okay, width is not 100%, width is 250 px. Okay, so see, now it is looking quite better. And this p is for our dollar thing, this dollar thing. So this is quite big in our thing box. It is even bigger than the h4. Actually, it should not be like this. Okay, so now we'll do the unordered list. Okay, so unordered list is looking quite ugly because it is still had got these things, so we have to remove those things. Okay, so let's do that. Dot price box unordered list, and border top 1 px solid HSL 234 where okay HSL yeah HSL this one we have to take actually. So border top because there is a top, see this line is there, border top we are taking because of that. Border top padding is 0 and list style type, so this is the thing, list style type is none. Okay, so the none, the moment I do this, those dot 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 will go. Okay, and then we will do for price box ul, and we'll do it for the ally. So for the ally also, the border top will not get the border top, but it will be border bottom will be like this 1px solid, and the same thing is there. We don't want these things with these things, we've already done. And font size will be 14px. Okay, and padding will be 15px 0 like this, and yeah, it is looking much better. Okay, so now we'll do the button. So price box button, background image is linear gradient. So linear gradient, they have given us the linear gradient also, so we have to use that linear gradient to write is there. See, if I come here, they have given somewhere linear gradient. Yeah, they have given linear gradient like this, HSL. So linear gradient, we don't write, we write to right here. After that we have to give this and comma the next one. So this is how we use the linear gradient. So this two will do, and the background image, yeah, the linear gradient is there, right? Okay, so okay, border is none. So we are doing the button, the border is none, and border radius is 5px, and color is hash fff. Font family, font family, one thing is there, we have to do it again, or it generally doesn't work. So where is the font family? Yeah, font family is here, font family is here, and I will give it font family is here, and then letter spacing is 2px, and padding is 15px, not double 15px, I want only 15px. Margin top is 10px, and width is 100px, and text transform is uppercase. Okay, text transform is uppercase, and see, now only it is looking so good. This button is looking awesome, just awesome. Okay, it is looking much better. Okay, so now we have to do this premium box, this box we have to do. So we will do this premium box. So dot price box, And what is this name? This is some premium name is there. Price box premium, not price box premium. And again the linear gradient, same linear gradient what is there, see what is there in the this, the same linear gradient is there. Okay, so we have to do that. Where is the linear gradient? Here is the linear gradient. I'll come here and do it, and color is FFF, and transform is scale 1.15. Okay, let me save it and see. The learn more has gone. Okay, we will do it later on, because the learn more is a different type of button, is it is there, so we have to do the button inverse or something for the learn more. Okay, okay, so we'll do that. Now let us do everything here. So see, the premium box is a bit bigger than all these boxes, and it is a bit different. So for that we have to use this scale thing, so it has become a bit big. And premium box, everything inside the premium box also, if you see, they are a bit bigger. So for that also we have to do this. Okay, so like this, and star transform scale is 0.869. Okay, so now it is looking much better. Okay, now we have to give the premium box button. Okay, so as I have told, that color is totally different from the other button, because the premium box is taking the button color and button is taking the premium box color. So button is there, background image is none, and background color is hash FFF, and the color is HSL. This one. Okay, so now see how it is looking. Yeah, it is looking much better, looking almost perfect. Okay, so this, okay, this is different, this lines are different color a bit. Okay, so we'll do that like this. Premium box, unordered list, premium box, unordered list, li, and border color is hash f0 f0 f0. Save it. Color is hash fff. Save it and see, now the color is much better, and our premium box is actually looking very awesome now. Okay, very awesome. So if you can see here, the background have these patterns also, these patterns are also there. So this is very cool to put these patterns. Okay, it is very cool. And this pattern are actually images which are already given to us in the image folder. If you see, we are already given this images bg bottom and bg top, so we have to use these images. Okay, so how to do that? So we have to use it in the body tag. So it's better to do the body tag here itself. After the body, everything should be in the order. So let us do that. Body before, okay, content is like this, background images. So background image will be a URL, not like URL like this, URL from the local one only, images, and bg top will be like this, and background repeat is no repeat. Okay, and background position is top right, and position is absolute. Okay, so after this we can do the top, and once the position is absolute we can move it anywhere. Top right 0, top and right are 0, height is 100%, width is 100%, and z or z index is -1. Let me save it and see that has pattern have come. Now it's time to put the next pattern, which we will do it in the after. It's better to copy it because it is almost similar, and it will put it in the after. So we're using the pseudo elements. The pseudo element is very nice to put this background images. Okay, content is like bg bottom as bg I will do, and this is no repeat, but it is not top right, it is bottom left, position absolute. So it is not top right, it is bottom is 0, left is 0, height is 100%, width is 100%, z index is -1. Let me save it, come back, and the background image is perfect. Okay, background images are perfect. So now uh, let us put back those annually things. So it's time to make the toggle thing. So for that we have to put the annual thing back, and which we have deleted earlier. Okay, so where is it? So monthly basic plan is there. This is another, this is the third one. So this is the, where is my basic? Yeah, here is a basic plan, and monthly annually will be there. I think 190 only is more. $249.99 is there, and the last one is, generally people always take the middle plan, that is marketing. So they don't take the which is the lowest, and they will always take the middle one. So as I'm told, as I'm telling, that is how marketing works. 399, save it. Now in the css will come, now it will look very ugly. Okay, in the css will come and make that monthly and annually, some annually thing. Okay, so let us put it in the right place. Okay, so the private box price box p is there. Price box dot monthly, display is none, and we'll have two more thing, and this will be done from the JavaScript. So monthly we are doing display none, and the moment we do display none, the monthly is gone. Okay, and then show. So this is how it is done from JavaScript. Okay, and price box monthly, I'll do price box monthly, display is block, save it. Show monthly price box annually, display is none, save it. Now it's time to make our main.js, which we have not yet created. Main.js, but we have to link this also, and I generally like it to do it at the end. Main.js. Now we'll go to the main.js. Const, very small JavaScript, not much. Const toggle equal to document dot get element by id toggle. So that toggle class we are taking that this toggle. Okay, and const flexi. You generally we when we do it by id only, means whenever we do a JavaScript thing. So okay, so this id toggle, and now that flexi class which we have taken, I will do that document dot get element by id flexi. Okay, my VS Code is already giving this, that is cool. And toggle dot add event listener, and change, and it's better to have arrow function then instead of normal function. So whenever the toggle is clicked, then flexi dot class list dot toggle. So it is class list dot toggle. This toggle is different. And so instead of add removing, we're using this toggle, and we'll do so monthly phly show monthly, save it. And now if we go here, see it is working fine. Most of this thing is done, only this toggle style is remaining. This checkbox we're going to change it to a, this is known as a pill. So we're change it to a pill. So this JavaScript thing is also done. So now where should we write it? Okay, let's write it at the end. It doesn't matter. Dot toggle container displays flex. Did we have something for a toggle container above? Okay, toggle container already we have, but it's better to make it at the end. Just that is just that thing. This is a flex box and all. Align item center. It is giving me good thing. Justify content is again a center. Save it. Okay, see, it is now looking much aligned. And now dot toggle container label, and background image we will take it from there also. There only means background image is always the same. Background image is there, and border radius, not background, repeat, border radius is 50 px. Cursor is pointer as always, and display is inline block. Margin is 0,10 px, and position is relative. And height is 30 px, and width is 60 px. Okay, so this is the label which we have here, this label ball, this ball thing. So see, the label has now become so good. Okay, this is what we were creating. Okay, so now there is a ball class is also there inside this, so we'll create a ball out of it actually. Okay, means circular thing which we are going to make. Okay, so this I am here, label dot ball, background color is hash fff, and border radius is 50%, and position is absolute, top is 2.5 px, left is 2.5 px. So position absolute, so we are moving that ball. Okay, height is 25 px, and width is 25 px. Let's have a transform also. Transform, no, transition is transform 0. Not take it 5, 0.4 is. So let me save it and see the ball. So it is perfect now. It is perfect. So now, even now, this checkbox is shown. So there is a way to move it out of the screen. So this is a trick to move it very far of the screen, and that is toggle container has got an input which is a checkbox. Okay, so that checkbox was coming, so that I will take, and then position will be absolute, and left will be minus 9999. 4 times 9 px means it is way out of the screen. It is way out. Let's save it. So it is just vanished. Okay, now the thing, there is another code which is there. So it will not work. Okay, it will work, but it will not show the transition for us. So it is working. I'm clicking it, it is working, because it is where the checkbox was. So it is working, but it will not change it. Okay, so now toggle container input will take, and input is checked. If the input is checked, plus label dot ball, transform, translate x 30px, like this. So see, so it is, whenever I'm clicking it, it is transforming it to 30px. Okay, like this and like this and like this. So it is working fine, it is looking great. Only the thing is that we have to create our app responsive. It is not responsive at all. See, it should go one between the round. Okay, they have given us the responsive screens also, so let me quickly open the responsive screens. Okay, so this is like that, this is like that. So like this, you can see nothing fancier, only the middle one is going in the middle. Okay, so like this it is there. So again I am come here at media screen, and max width is 768 px, and dot flex. So the flex direction will do column. This is a very easy way with flex direction column. I'll do, see, flex direction column is there, but the problem is that this is big, and in a mobile view we don't want this to be big. Okay, I should have quitted it. Okay, so dot price box and price box premium, so that box we will do, and then transform scale of 1. So now it is fixed, it is now like this only. And just one more little thing is remaining, because we have changed the inner content also there. Okay, so it is not that much visible, but it is there. We'll do all the inner content like selecting like this, and it will again be scale 1. So let me save it. Not much difference will be seen, but it is like this, and it is working fine, it is working fine. So with this we complete our small, it is not that small, but it is very cool looking pricing box, and you can have it on your site also, and it is completely functional. Add something to here and you're done with this classical pricing box. All this, hope you're liking me doing this Frontend Mentor challenge. If you're liking me, so please watch these videos more, watch this video more, and I will produce more videos like this, and then slowly we'll do. And actually I have recently launched a course also, so if you can check out that course, it's a premium grade course. So the link will be there again below, so you can check out my premium grade course also. Okay, so thanks for watching this, and please do subscribe to my channel, and I am doing live streaming more nowadays, and which will increase in the future. So I will do more live streaming, more programming live streaming, the streams which you like the most. And with this I will end this live stream, and I will see you all soon again in another live stream. Thank you.